What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'll be going over a trade idea that I see on Nike stock, ticker symbol NKE. What I go over in today's video will be the technicals as well as some options contract that I'm looking at buying. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a free Discord community where you can ask me questions about anything or even hop into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty, so getting right into the stock, as we can see a few weeks ago, Nike had earnings and they gapped up pretty nicely. They were previously trading around 134 and then they gapped up all the way to 150. And then ever since then, they have been gradually going up, now trading at 167. So with this trade idea, I am looking to buy puts on the stock. I do think Nike is going to start to fall within the next few weeks, especially given the fact that the market running up over the past week as well. So also, just to give you guys another example of a trade that I was looking at previously, going back to Netflix a few earnings ago, they gapped up pretty nicely, and then ever since then they started to downtrend. So with Nike, I do see that same thing happening. There's typically a lot of profit taking and selling pressure after earnings when a stock gaps up that high. Also, if we look at the chart, they did have a resistance area right around 146, but they gapped up well over that, and now they're trading around 167. So my price target for Nike is back at that resistance level that they had, which is now support, and that would be 146. So I do think Nike is going to fall $20. Not going to be very quickly. Nike does move kind of slow, but I do think they're going to gradually head down towards that level. As we can also see, the RSI is very high. It's right around 75, previously well over 75 as well. So if we pull up the Robinhood options chain, I'll be able to show you guys exactly which contract I'm looking at buying. So right here we have Nike pulled up, and if we go over to trade options, the expiration that I find very safe is September 16th. You want to give this play plenty of time to play out because Nike in the short term can still go up a little bit more. So picking September 17th options is going to give you plenty of time for this to play out. Now, the put option that I'm looking at buying is the 165. Make sure you're not on calls. Make sure you have puts selected. And if we click the 165, we'll see that it's around $415, which isn't too bad of a price. Now, if we go more into the depth, we'll see that there's already some volume and open interest in these contracts. And what I really like about it is that the delta to theta ratio is very, very good. So the delta is at $41. That shows us for every dollar Nike goes down, we make $40 on our contract. So in profit, if Nike were to fall the $20, we'd make about $800 on this contract. Now, I do have to admit, this play is a little bit risky. That's why I'm picking September 17th options. But if you want to play it more safe, I do recommend going to October 15th and picking that same 165 put. It is a little bit more expensive, but this is going to give you plenty of time for Nike to start to fall back towards the 146 level. So that is the trade idea for this week. It is pretty risky, but I am pretty confident on this play. As I said before, Nike is super overbought on the daily time frame and they have a huge gap to fill. So that is the play. You can hop in it if you want, but let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section down below. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.